How to make money online fast. What's up, guys? It's Philemon Shepo. I'm a 16-year-old entrepreneur who lives in a beautiful country in Africa called Namibia, guys. And in today's video, guys, I'm gonna be telling you teaching you basically how to make money online fast with this fast and easy method. No, this is not some get rich quick scheme. It does take work. It does take some. You do have to put in some work in order for you to get this right or to do this right. So, uh, what I wanna do is, what I wanna say is basically what you're going to do is called copy, right? Copy, right? And oh my god, this is so neat, right? Paste, right? Copy and paste, right? So what does copy and paste mean, right? So basically, we'll we are looking for people who have jobs to be done for, right? So let me give you an example. Let me say your neighbor once he goes to work, and by the time he has a lonely house, he goes to work, and by the time he comes back home, it's like 8 p.m. So he does not have time to clean his house. So he have asked you, he will pay you 200 bucks, right, per week, so you can clean his house for him every single day, right? So now for you, you don't want to clean his house, but you want the money, right? So you say yes. Now you go look for a person who will go work, right? Who will sweep his house for much cheaper, right? So that person will sweep his house for 50 bucks, right? So now this person does not know that, hey, why am I paying you 200 bucks while I can pay you 50, right? Because this person leaves before your boss comes. The owner comes, right? So he just comes, sweeps, and goes. By the end of the week, you pay him his 50, 150 profit for you. Maybe explain into more detail, right? So basically, that's right it. So there's two websites you go to, right? So there's a website where there's this person looking for people to do his work for them, right? And there's this website where you go where there's people, right, looking for you to do the looking for work. Like I will do this for you for this, right? So that's nice, right? So hold on, let me just finish drawing my stick before here. Right. I was never good in art, guys, so don't blame me. Right. So basically, those are the two websites you wanna have or you wanna be using. It's called Freelancer, right, and then Fiverr. So Freelancer is where basically this part. It's where people go and have their work like really and looking for people to do them for work, them work, right? And there's a website again called Fiverr where you go and then people you see here people are looking for they are saying, hey, I'll pay me 50 bucks, I'll do this for you, right? So now for us, our job is for us to basically go on this website, look for a job that's paying higher price. We go here, look for people who can do the job, we pretend like it's us, right? And then they do the job. We send the thing the finished product to the person. He pays us, for example, let's say 200 bucks, right? So 200 bucks, and then we pay these people or this person 50 bucks, right? So 50 bucks. And so minus 50. Right? Let me just put my dollar signs. Yes, dollar signs. Yes, we get a 150 in profit. Profit. So that's it. So let me show you exactly on how it works, right? So let's go to this site. So you go to Freelancer, you sign up, you put in all your information. Look at my little picture here, right? You put in all your information and everything like that, right? So and then you put in your what you're good at or what you think uh what's actually good, or what that's nice that hopefully can be done faster. So I put in things here is the skills that I have. As you can see, I've just set this thing up just to show you. I did do it with my other email, but the account got something, so story for another time, right? So here's my skills that I can be good at, like video marketing, editing. So let's go here. You go here, people are saying this. I'll need a vehicle photo editor, blah blah blah. So let's look for someone. Let's look for someone. Logo designing, right? So this one is nice. $30 to 50, right? So there's this person, right? So let's go here. This person is willing to pay us from $30 to 250 for us to be expert at Photoshop, right? So and uh, our job our job is to bet on this so we can win it, right? So now it wants me to, right? So our job is to bet on this profile, right? So project budget, right? So the budget is 250. So our job is to bet on this profile, right? So and this is the highest bet so far. It's 300, 500. So our job is to bet on this profile so we get the job, right? So after we got it, so let's say we could bet it and the person accepts. He's paying 250, right? 250, right? Yeah, 250, the maximum. So the average bet is 92 and the 24 bet. So let's say he's paying 250, right? So, and then we just take this, Photoshop Expert, right? And then I go to Fiverr. Give me a sec. Yep. I take this. I go to Fiverr here. I go to Photoshop Expert or sorry, Expert, right? And then you get all these people. You see all these people charging cheap prices. This is actually a good opportunity for us. So, like this person say, I will be your Photoshop editing expert. So this person is over. He has over 328 reviews and 5-star rated. So he's actually very good, in my opinion, right? And then there's other people. You go ahead and look at the reviews. I think a 5-star, 4-star, 3.5 upwards is good, and you must have at least 100 likes. Like this one is also good, right? So you go here. You go to, let's say we pick to this person, right? Let's say we pick this seller. We pick this seller, right? So what you wanna do is right? So you will pay him up to 15 to he will deliver a project in 2 days and you will pay him $15, right? So when you actually pay him, right, he will tell you what he's good at. You will actually read if he's the right person for this project. So if you pay here, right, what you wanna do is you just go here and then you copy and paste this, right? I have about, right, and then you say I have about 100 pictures to be edited, blah 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 blah. You copy that, and then where it says what you want when you pay this $15, right? You say what you want to be done. You actually paste it. So, for example, right, you just paste it. You just paste this in there, right? But after you pay the $15, obviously, right? And then of course this person obviously won the bet, so it's gonna send you the 100 pictures, and then actually here actually the files already approved, right? So he will actually send you contact with him because you want the bet and you want this work to be done. Why? So if he sends the picture, he will send the picture to this person, and this person edits them, and then you earn yourself, right? And then you earn yourself, let's say, $200, $250, right? $250, right? So we go here, 250 made, right? Dollars, 250 made, and then we minus, how much is this person charging? 50. We minus $15. We minus $15. Dollar sign, $15, right? We minus $15. So let me go to my calculator because it's been a long day of school and I do not want to do this thing in my head, right? So 250 minus 15, bam, $235 profit, right? Just by you did not even do anything. You just connected two people. This person is willing to do the work for free, and this person is willing to pay much. So you just did this. You just spent $15. You earn yourself 235, and you can do this all day long, all day long, all day long. As the higher the budget you have and how far you can bet, you can go there and then even have five projects just people, and then 5 people from here that are willing to do the work for you, and then you just money just comes rolling in. So you can even make up to $1,000 a week. Just keeps on how you are willing to work on, how much time you have in it. You see, $7 $70 US, and this is the design bootcamp, blah blah blah. Right? You see, it goes on and on and on. And in special skills, it just does. It has to be. It does. It does not. Right? It just does not have to be in marketing. It can be in anything. Right? Freelancer. Right? So there you go. And that is basically how you do it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is William Shepherd. And before you go, guys, check out my free affiliate marketing ebook that teaches me everything that I'm teaching you guys and more here. Or you can go ahead and check out my number one in the comment section. That teaches you my number one recommended section that is everything on how to make money online the fastest and easiest way. Just apart from this way, uh, more ways in there, more faster and easier ways, and actually make you more money, guys. So check it out. It's the second link in the description, guys. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Philemon Shepo. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and peace.